We're really blessed to have an incredibly talented group of doctors in our practice that want to take care of patients. They care about their patients.
I mean, there's no greater feeling than to see your patient after surgery walk, since they haven't done that in years, and just the drastic impact that I could make on patients.
I think I love what I do because of what I hear patients say after surgery. It's that one line that so many patients often say, it's, "You gave me my life back." That feeling is just amazing.
It's definitely life-changing. For me to be able to be in a position that I could help my patient, whether through physical therapy, through injections, or through surgery, that makes me feel great.
One of the biggest misconceptions about spine surgery is how scary it is, how dangerous it is. And what I wish I could tell the community is, don't let your problem persist. Don't let your life be limited because of that fear, because it's just not true. Spine surgery is incredibly safe, and I just don't want fear to get in the way of that for patients. I want them to know how some patients feel when they finally went after it and they fixed it, right? It's that patient that comes back to the office and says, "God, if I knew I could get rid of this pain a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, the things I could have done, right? I could have felt so much better. I could have been so much happier." It gives people's lives back.